Hi, I'm Michael Ledwith, chef and owner of Chef Michael's Restaurant in beautiful Islamorada, Florida. Today we're preparing a deep water yellow eye snapper. It's pan-seared with key lime butter, and we're serving it with homestead green beans and cauliflower rice. I am so happy you're here. We have some fresh yellow eye snapper caught by one of our captains just yesterday. We're going to pan-sear that and serve it with some key lime butter and serve it with some healthy vegetables. So let's enjoy some fresh fish and have a glass of wine. Cheers! Cheers! So we filleted this yellow eye snapper, and the smaller ones we do serve whole at the restaurant, but the fillets are just wonderful. So what we do, we lightly season it, and while our pan is getting hot, we'll set that off to the side. We have the cauliflower rice, and what we'll do is put a little bit of red pepper mixed in with that for a little color, a little flavor, and that'll be ready. We'll snip the green beans, the homestead green beans. We'll blanch those off. My favorite part of this dish is the key limes. You get them from a local grower who has the organic key lime farm, and these really make the fish. Blanch off these green beans, and our fish pan is red hot. Carefully place the fish into the pan and let that saute. You don't want to overcrowd the pan because it'll cool off. Sauteing the cauliflower rice. We add the diced red pepper, lightly season it. Add our key lime juice. A few tablespoons of heavy cream. A little bit of white wine. And that sauce is done. So for plating, we'll put a little bit of the cauliflower rice onto the plate. A few pieces of the fish. We lightly nap it with the key lime butter. Add a few of the homestead green beans. And garnish the plate with key lime and the mixed greens. Enjoy.